beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to today's video. If you don't know me, hello, I'm Fabiola and I create all kinds of pink beauty, fashion, and decor videos. If that's something you love and are into, make sure to click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram for more pink decor content, so make sure to follow me there as well. So today's video is more like a shopping vlog and a day in my life during the day. I'll be sharing with you my morning routine and then we're gonna go shopping. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So for my skin, I am using this new product that I recently got. It's the Olay Super Serum, and I was actually gifted from Olay and Skeepers, so I'm so grateful and very excited. So when I saw that this product came out like a serum, I was so ecstatic to try it out. It does have 5 great benefits. Gives you a smoother appearance. It also helps with visible lines. It's long-lasting hydration. It gives you an even lasting skin tone and better skin texture, and it does have 5 very powerful ingredients that help with that. So I'll link it down below, but as of now I am obsessed.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love.
Is it just me, or does everybody else's vanity look like a hot mess after you get ready? Definitely mine always does, for sure. I take every single piece of makeup out. So let me go ahead and tidy it up.
Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground, but I know you will turn it around. This is all we got, and I know you'll make mistakes, get interference and lose your way. Find the light when it rains. Oh, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love.
Okay girls, if you live in a very cold state, or if you're always cold and you like to wear skirts, you have to try these tights. They are incredible. They look like tights, and if you stretch them, it looks like almost kind of like you can see your skin behind it, but they're not. They have this really soft, cozy lining on the inside that keeps you warm, and it has this very nice thick band around the waist, and they're just so comfortable. I am so excited with these. I had to share them with you because I am like so excited with them because I can finally wear my skirts in the winter time. But I'll link them below. I did get them off of Amazon and they were super affordable. So if you like wearing skirts in the winter, definitely try these.
Yeah, yeah. Pero eso cambiará cuando ella me vea. ¿Por qué lo haces? Que ella me ha cupido a pedirle un favor. Yeah, 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 yeah. Esperando tu DM, pa' que invites una ronda más, pa' que su labio le bese ya y se repita lo de ayer. Esperando tu DM, pa' que la noche haga lo suyo, que la fluidez le gane a lo
I am ready. This is my makeup. I just went very subtle with a little bit of pink tones and light browns, and I'm loving it. And I also love my new lippy. I'll link it down below, but it's so hydrating. It's almost kind of like a lipstick dash gloss. So beautiful, and they have so many pretty shades. I also curled my hair a little bit, so that's my makeup and hair. And then my outfit, I did go with this super cute sweater that has little pearls. I got it at TJ Maxx, and I paired it up with this black stretchy sweater skirt. I know it looks like it's dirty, but it's not. It's the mirror. I have to wipe it. And of course, my favorite tights at the moment. Like, oh my goodness, these are incredible. And can you see, they almost look like my skin is peeking through, but it's not the skin, it's the fuzzy lining. And I am like so warm and very, very comfortable. And then of course, these boots that I got from Macy's, I think they are just so pretty, and I like that they're like pointy. Those are like my favorite kinds of boots. So let's go shopping. I do want to go to a couple stores just to see what's up for the sale. I know Victoria's Secret has their semi-annual sale, which is my favorite.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side.
Just got back from HomeGoods. All their Christmas stuff is 50% off. And surprisingly, I didn't get any Christmas items. I actually ended up getting some Valentines decor. So let me start off first with some Bath & Body Works items that I got. I did get this adorable little keychain to hold your hand sanitizer, and it's shaped like a camera. I also got this beautiful lipstick, Emily in Paris. They did have 3 different shades. I got this beautiful pink one. Look how pretty this is. It's that perfect shade of dusty pink, and surprisingly it is so hydrating and very pigmented. And I also got a lip balm, and I picked this up because it smells so good. It's the Perfect in Pink. It's a shimmer mist, and it's just shimmery, but it smells incredible. That's the reason why I got it. And then of course I had to get this one because of the pretty packaging, and it's called the Perfect in Pink. And then at Francesca's, they have the prettiest pink and girly things in there. So I got 2 things from their store. I got this beautiful little beaded bag. Like, look how stunning this is. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then I got this here because I thought this was very cute, very smart idea. It says Happy Pills, and it's basically like a little container for you to put your medicine, your pills. So it has all these. You can put extras, or you can take this off and rename it. But I thought this was cute for, like, you know, pills, birth control, whatever you need it for. I've been finding so many cute things at my HomeGoods. I am obsessed with this store. So I went back and I ended up finding these beautiful velvet bow hook set. It comes in a pack of 3, and they're quite heavy. They're beautiful. They're velvet. They're so soft, and they have the gold detail on them, and you're not gonna believe how much these were. These were $12.99 for this set of 3. Like, what an incredible find. I also ended up getting some Valentine's Decor hand kitchen towels, because now that Christmas is over, I'm gonna start decorating for Valentine's. But that's what I got. And then I was not gonna get this, but then I smelled it and I changed my mind. It's a room spray, and I love this bottle. It's so pretty. I'm going to place this downstairs. It smells incredible. It says jasmine peony, and I love it. I love it, love, love it. And this was only $4.99. Packaging is gorgeous. So not only is it a room spray, but it looks stunning, and it's a cute little decor piece. I almost forgot to show you another item that I found at HomeGoods. I actually picked this up a couple days ago when I still needed to do some Christmas shopping, and I found these gorgeous viral bow brush holders, and I was so excited. I actually got 2. So I got this one, and then I got that one. So I also ended up stopping at Marshall's, and I'm not gonna lie, they had the cutest Valentine decor. So I picked up a few items, and I also got this really cool foot spa from Bliss. I thought this was really cool because it's like a collapsible like tray, or I don't know what it's called, like a little tub, and you can fill it with water, and it's really cool. It has this like foot massage part, and it's small, so it just collapses and it turns into a spa massager. So that was pretty cool. It was like $12.99. So let me show you what I got at Marshall's. I ended up getting this headband, and it has pearls, it's pink, it's satin, so pretty. This year will definitely be like all about skincare and self-care. I also got this, which I thought was really pretty. It's some glass globes, and it's perfect for lymphatic drainage. And of course I got some pumice blocks to go with the spa massager, so I picked up that. And let me show you this adorable love sign that I found. Look how pretty this is. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's so beautiful. It's like glossy pink, and I actually have one just like this, but it's all white and it doesn't have pearls or anything. So when I saw this, I had to pick it up. This is definitely a beautiful piece. I think this one was like $9.99. I also ended up picking up this tray to put in my vanity to put all my skincare items. I do have a 2-tower one, but I think it's too big. So I think I might switch it to this one. And then look at this adorable mug. I am obsessed with mugs, and I love my cats. So I got this one here. Beautiful. It's perfect for Valentine's. Like, so adorable. Like, I am obsessed with mugs. I also got these measuring spoons. Like, look how pretty this is. I love Valentine's season. All the pinks is just perfect. I also got this table runner from Shabby Chick, and it's just lace, but I love it. It's so pretty because I'm going to be changing my Nutcracker themed one to this beautiful lace one. I wish this came in pink, but I can always add some like pink flowers to the dining room table, and then this white one will look so beautiful. Last but not least, I am so excited for this. This is incredible. It's a portable cordless vacuum cleaner. It was only $12.99, and I'm really hoping that it works. I am so excited. You can use this on your computer, on your couch, in your vanity, which is what I am going to be using it for. I'm going to be using it for my IKEA drawers, my makeup drawers, and I am so excited for this, like beyond excited. So it's only $12.99. How could I say no to that? I just got home and this was in my porch. I'm so excited. It's from the Face Shop Clean Beauty, and let me show you. this amazing package that they sent me. It's the Rice Water Bright, and look how pretty and pink this looks. So cute. So there is a makeup remover. There's the new generation mucin, which I'm very excited to try out. And these are the products, so we're going to be trying those out today. This is actually works out perfect because I need to take my makeup off and do my skincare routine, so we're going to go ahead and try these out. In here we have the Rice Water Bright Cleansing Facial Wipes, and these here are incredibly soft. I actually opened it up and I took one out, and I could not believe how incredibly soft these are. These are like the softest cloth I have ever seen, so these are definitely going to be very gentle on your skin. The Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. I'm so excited for this. I actually ran out of my cleanser, so this is perfect, and I'll get to try it out. And look how pretty and pink it is. Love the packaging. The Bright Cleansing Oil, and this is great. It does say in here that it's for combination to oily skin. And this one's the one I'm super excited for. It's the Vegan Mucin Peptide 8 Serum. It's firming and anti-aging. This is so awesome. It says it gives you like the glass skin effect. It's made out of plants, and it has 8 powerful peptides. So these will definitely be in my skincare routine tonight.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be all.
So that was it for today's video. I really hope you loved it. Make sure to stay tuned for the next upcoming video. Well, I'll be sharing with you my beautiful pairs of shoes that I got from Cozy Island. I'll be doing an entire video on those, which I'm very excited for. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Show me life, show me.